Types of bird. Today we are going to learn about type of birds. Let's get started. Today we are learning 8 birds name. First, parrot. We call it parrot, in Hindi तोता. Crow. Crow we call it Hindi in crow कौवा. Pigeon. We call it in Hindi pigeon कबूतर. Sparrow. We call it in Hindi sparrow गौरैया. Owl. We call it Hindi owl उल्लू. Peacock. We call it in Hindi peacock मोर. Eagle. We call it Hindi eagle गिद्ध. Next है swan. We call it in Hindi swan हंस. Thank you for watching.